In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new invoice and set it to recur automatically. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to make sure your invoices go out on schedule without extra work. Start by heading to the right side of your screen and clicking on Invoice. This opens your invoicing dashboard. From here, choose Create New Invoices. This sets up a fresh invoice template you can fill out and reuse. Next, add your client. Click Add a client, then type the client's first name or select an existing contact if it's already in your list. Follow that by entering their last name. Keeping names consistent helps with reporting and search later. Now set your dates. Add the date of issue, which is the day the invoice becomes active. Then add a due date, the deadline for payment. If you follow standard terms like net 15 or net 30, pick a due date that reflects those terms. Clear dates prevent confusion and reduce late payments. It's time to add your billable items. Click to add a line, then describe the product or service. You can add as many lines as you need to cover everything on this invoice. Be descriptive so your client knows exactly what they're paying for and make sure the pricing matches your agreement. If you want this invoice to send on a repeating schedule, look to the right side and click Make Recurring. In the Recurring panel, choose the next issue date, which is when the first recurring copy will be generated. Then decide how many invoices should go out. You can set it to continue indefinitely or limit it to a specific number if this is a short-term project or a retainer with an end date. Pick your delivery option so the invoice is sent the way you prefer, such as automatically by email. If you want to make it easier for clients to pay, enable the option to accept online payments. This can shorten your payment timeline and reduce friction for the clients. When everything looks good, click Done to confirm your recurring settings. Give the invoice one quick review to verify names, dates, and line details. Finally, click Save. Your invoice is now created, and if you turned on recurring, it will generate on schedule with the settings you chose. That's it. You've created a professional invoice, set it to recur, and prepared it for smooth delivery and payment.